Righto, this is my dodgy ass disc cleaning device. Even the bird reckons it's dodgy. This is the thing that we're going to chuck in the middle there to rotate the disc. You'll see the hole there. This is toilet paper. This is isopropyl. Effectively spray this shit on here, get it nice and wet. You can see there's some on the disc. Put that on there. Hold your finger on here. Turn this around. My stupid hand in the way. You'll see the holes moved. Then you basically just rotate this a few revolutions, then it goes a hole again. What about do you take that off? You'll see it's a bit wet. You can see where it's actually cleaned. Obviously I wasn't pressing down enough. Similarly, when you want to do the other side, pick this up, pull it out, turn it over, put it back in the same spot, shit wrap, impregnate it with good stuff. Yes, it is funny. And put it in here, hold this down, and at some stage we'll see the little hole go past. You can basically rub that up and down if you so feel inclined. I'm going a bit fast so you might not see it go past. You can also see the wet patch, no pun intended, go past as you clean the disc. It's actually a better effort if you actually do this, because then you get the full surface of the disc. That is a simple way of cleaning mould off your shitty discs. You'll see that dry, parquois. And if you're so inclined, waft it around to make you feel better, then it might get dry in some way, shape or form. And give it a go. Hope that helps.